Hi, I'm David from neuroflash, and today I'm going to show you how to use our team features. You can manage your team by clicking on Account in the bottom left corner and then on Users. In your team, there are three different roles. The first role is the role of the owner. It is the owner of the workspace and has all permissions to add new team members or change settings. The accounts of all team members are built through the owner. That is, the owner pays for the accounts of all his team members. The admin has the same rights as the owner. He can add new team members and change all settings. However, his account is paid by the owner of the workspace. The member is part of the team but cannot add team members or change settings. His account is also paid by the owner of the workspace. If I want to add new team members to my workspace, I click on Invite User. In the window that appears, I can enter the email addresses of the users I would like to invite, and I confirm by pressing Enter. In addition, I can specify the role as admin or member. When inviting users, it does not matter whether the user is already using neuroflash or not. If a future team member is already a neuroflash user, he or she must cancel his or her current account in order to join the workspace, since billing will now be handled by the owner. This can be done with one click in the corresponding invitation email. If we now take a look at the statuses of our team members, we can see who has accepted the invitation. If the status is set to active, the user has accepted the invitation and is now part of your team. If the status is still pending, the user has not yet accepted the invitation. By clicking on the three dots, you can send out another invitation email. How do you work now in a team? If I want to share a document with my team, I can either create a new document or select the document I have already created. I open it and click on the button down here for settings. Under the option Share With, I select Team and click on Confirm. The document is now shared with all other users in the team. If I want to edit a document that another team member has shared with me, I click on the three dots next to the document and select Make a Copy. I can now edit the copy that appears. Just as I can share documents, I can also share personalities and templates. To do this, I go to the Personality section and either create a new personality or edit an existing one. At the bottom, I can select the Team option, save it, and therefore share my personality with my team. Same principle with the templates. I can either create a new template or edit an existing one. At the very bottom, I select the Team option to share my template with the entire team. Now you know how to use the team features. Try it out now.